Are you planning a long-distance move and need reliable moving services? We are proud to offer our professional relocation services with 2 efficient delivery options that can be tailored to your specific preferences. Option 1, our expedited delivery service allows you to handpick your preferred pickup and delivery dates. This ensures that your items will swiftly reach your new destination. With prompt packing and an expedited departure, your belongings will be on the move right away. Option 2, opt for our consolidated delivery service, where your belongings are securely transported to our warehouse to be combined with another customer's shipment going in the same direction. Both options automatically include professional loading and unloading, driving, wrapping, and unwrapping of furniture, including mattresses, big mirrors, big pictures, lamps, TVs, etc. Packing services for your boxes are available upon your request. Should you require storage, our warehouse facilities are at your disposal. Our team will create a detailed inventory to ensure that every item arrives. Make your long-distance move seamless and stress-free.